Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to OMNI Academy and Consulting. I am Uzair Ahmed, and today my topic is how to create workflow for auto send notification email and auto task generate in ZOHO CRM. So these are the steps to create a notification email and auto task generate. I am using the accounts module, and after that create a new workflow and then add the conditions which are status is equals to active and balance is greater than 0 and due date is equals to 7 or due date is equals to 3 or due date is equals to 1. If condition true, then send notification email to owner and create new task on account. In the last, we will verify notification and task. This is the accounts module view. So let's go to the application and create a new workflow. So first click on login and write your email address and password to log in into the ZOHO CRM. After that, click on settings, then automation and workflow rules. Now create a new rule and select your modules. I am using accounts. Then write the rule name, alert, notification email, task, and add the description, send, alert, email, task on accounts, and press next. First select the type of record which you want to execute. When do you want to execute this rule? Select on record action and select a field update. I am using this field update because my condition is depends on field updation on the due days field. So I am selecting the field update, then press next. First select your field due days and press next. Now add your conditions here. First select the status and if the status is active, the condition is true. Now add more conditions. You can change the or and condition from here. So I am using and second condition is balance. If balance is greater than 0, the condition will be true, and Press and again, and write a select a due days. If due days is equals to 7, then condition will true. Now I am selecting a or because the due day depends. I am using three conditions. Set true, the due date true, due days is equals to 30, or a due date is equals to 1. Now press next. So here you can see the full condition. If status is active, balance is greater than 0, and due date is 7, or due date is 30, or due date is 1, then add your instant action here. So I want to send an email notification and a task. So then first I am selecting the email notification and select email notification template from here, associate, now here you can add the other fields. I am using the accounts. You can also add the owners field here and select and send this email to the owner of the record. And also you can add your company email here. I'm using the same email. Save and associate. Now press action and add another action on the condition true. In this task you can add anything. This is the subject of the task, you can change it also, and this is the due date field. It will return the value of due date. If due date is 7, then the output will be 7 days remaining for the next installment. And this is the trigger date, you can set it plus 7 days, and if you want to set the status you can change it. You can also set the priority and assign to. Now save it and let's verify the process. Go to the accounts, select any record, first I am opening my email account to verify the email. Now go to the application again and change your condition. So status is active, and I'm using the other field of balance. Balance is 0. Should be the greater than 0. I'm adding our values here. Now is greater than 0. This condition also true. And now go to the due days. I am using 3 conditions to calculate due days. If I select 24 and now due date is 7, the condition will be true and notification will be sent to my email. Now you can see the notification email. Alert OMNI Academy follow for installment. And you can also check the task. If I go to the CRM again and reload it, so here you can see the new task, 7 days remaining for next installment, follow up for reminder. And in the activities you can also see the task here. So if I change the due days for the other validation true, if the due date is 30, then notification email send again and also create a task. So I'm changing it. (22) and 18. Now the due date is 30 and condition will be true, and it will send me a notification and a email. Here is the notification email, and check the task also. So you can see the new action, 30 days remaining for next installment, follow up for reminder, and also see the activity here, 30 days remaining for next installment, follow up for reminder. Thank you for joining us. I am Uzair Ahmed from OMNI Academy and Consulting.